Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off maximum volume limit. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the app store, to the settings. Here you need to scroll all the way down until you see sound and haptics. Simply tap on it. Here what you need to do is simply scroll all the way down until you see the volume limit option. What you need to do is simply tap on the volume limit option. Once you tap on it, here you can see limit maximum volume. You can simply turn this option off or turn this option on according to your preferences. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.